Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Ready to Learn with Pooja Bhatnagar ma'am. Today in this video we will learn house vocabulary, rooms, items and house structure. First we knowing about rooms and areas. Living room, living room. Kitchen, kitchen. Dining room, dining room. Bedroom, bedroom. Bathroom, bathroom. Laundry room, laundry room. Garage, garage. Garden, garden. Attic, attic. Basement, basement. Living room items. Sofa, sofa. Chair, chair. Table, table. Television, television. Remote, remote. Lamp, lamp. Vase, vase. Bookshelf, bookshelf. Carpet, carpet. Curtain, curtain. Painting, painting. Fan, fan. Cushion, cushion. Clock, clock. Rug, rug. Kitchen items. Stove or gas. Fridge, fridge. Sink, sink. Microwave, microwave. Cupboard, cupboard. Spoon, spoon. Fork, fork. Knife, knife. Plate, plate. Pan, pan. Pot, pot. Bowl, bowl. Dish rack, dish rack. Dishwasher, dishwasher. Dining room items. Dining table, dining table. Chairs, chairs. Napkin, napkin. Tablecloth, tablecloth. Cup, cup. Jug, jug. Glass, glass. Salt shaker, salt shaker. Black pepper shaker, black pepper shaker. Candles, candles. Bedroom items, bedroom items. Bed, bed. Pillow, pillow. Blanket, blanket. Sheet, sheet. Wardrobe, wardrobe. Dresser, dresser. Alarm clock, alarm clock. Toy box, toy box. Teddy bear, teddy bear. Mirror, mirror. Slippers, slippers. Nightstand, nightstand. Air conditioner, air conditioner. Bathroom items. Toilet pot, toilet pot. Sink, sink. Bathtub, bathtub. shower, shower, toothbrush, toothbrush, toothpaste, toothpaste, towel, towel, bath soap, bath soap, shampoo, shampoo, toilet paper, toilet paper, hairbrush, hairbrush, shower curtain, shower curtain, laundry room items, washing machine, washing machine, dryer, dryer, laundry basket, laundry basket, hanger, hanger, iron, iron, ironing board, ironing board, detergent, detergent, clothespin, clothespin, garage, garage, car, car, bicycle, bicycle, motorcycle or scooter, helmet, helmet, tire, tire, toolbox, toolbox, wrench, wrench, screwdriver, screwdriver, ladder, ladder, garden and backyard, plants, plants, grass, grass, flower, flower, tree, tree, swing, swing, fence, fence, shovel, watering can, watering can, bench, bench, journal items, broom, broom, mop, mop, vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner, trash can, trash can, trash bags, trash bags, shoe rack, shoe rack, umbrella, umbrella, doormat, doormat, keys, keys, wall hook, wall hook, light switch, light switch, house structure, roof, roof, wall, wall, floor, floor, ceiling, ceiling, door, door, window, window, stairs, stairs, gate, gate, chimney, chimney, balcony, balcony. Viewers, In this video, we will learn so many rooms structures, items and room. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Ready to Learn with Pooja Bhatnagar. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care, kids.